In today's video, we will start with the basic Ubuntu commands, and this is the day 12 of 50 days of robotics. So let's get started with this video. And these commands are very important for the robot operating system, and also if you are a beginner who is starting with Ubuntu, then it will help you a lot. So make sure that you watch the video till the very end. And also if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and make sure that you share with your friends. And also the community links are given in the description, and you can connect with me on LinkedIn as well as on Instagram. So here we are on our Ubuntu terminal. I am using Ubuntu 22.04 and we are going to use ROS to humble. So the required distribution of Ubuntu is 22.04, right? If you have any doubt regarding that, you can ask me in the comment section. But now getting started with the basic commands, all the working will be on the terminal itself. So starting with the basic commands, we will first of all start with the installation of terminator. This is the basic terminal, but we will be using terminator because it gives multiple terminals at a time. Okay, I will show what is terminator, but it gives multiple terminals at a time, so that becomes easy to run the ROS commands at once. Okay, so that you can use many terminals and it gives better reliability, that's why. Okay, so to install that, the command is sudo apt install terminator. Okay, that's the terminator command. You can follow this command. I have already installed terminator, so I don't have to install it again, right? So now opening the terminator, the shortcut is Ctrl Alt T. Okay, so pressing Ctrl Alt T will open your terminator, and this is how it looks. Now I want to show you guys like how terminator is useful. So let's split it vertically, then splitting it horizontally as well. Okay, so we have splitted the terminator using the split horizontally option and also the split vertically option, right? You can also split it at many times as you want. So starting with the very basic command, it is sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. These two commands are very important. We use sudo in order to give administration permissions. It is super user do command. Okay, anytime you want some permissions, you can use sudo. And sudo apt update is updating the system, like what packages are needed to be upgraded and all those things we get using sudo apt update. And upgrade is used to upgrade those packages or the dependencies, right? So let's run sudo apt update. You have to write your password. You have to update the system. Okay, for that reason your internet connection should be active. If your internet connection is not active, it will not update. Okay, now we are getting some like 6 packages can be upgraded, so we will run sudo apt upgrade as well, right? So sudo apt upgrade is also executed, right? Now we will just clear these terminals so that it will be clean to work upon our commands part. Okay, now we will start with the commands. First of all, it is ls command, which is list. Ls gives us the list of the folders, packages or any files in the directory we are present in. Okay, currently I am present in my home directory, so I am getting the folders names of the folder. Okay, so these are some names of the folder. Actually it is really messy. I want to clean my laptop, but yeah, I will clear my system. Okay, so that was ls command. I hope it is clear, right? And also clearing our terminal. Now we will use this bottom terminal. Now the command is pwd. Okay, it gives us the path of the current directory which we are in. Okay, so let's write pwd and enter. It is home rn. Simple, right? Got the path of the current directory, like where we are located in the terminal, right? So that is the working of pwd. Now moving to the next command, it is mkdir. Mkdir stands for make directory. We will make a new folder, or you can say directory. Let's name it 50 days of robotics, right? It sounds good actually. 50 days of robotics, mkdir. That's created. Okay, now we have created the mkdir. We can check it using ls command. Yeah, here it is, 50 days of robotics, right? So that was created, and also we can go inside that folder using cd, which stands for change directory. Likewise, so cd 50 days of robotics. Yeah, now we are inside of our directory or folder, you can say, and it is created. Okay, you can also create folder within folder. Likewise, we are inside our 50 days of robotics, now creating a new folder inside that, which is mkdir src. I just want to create name src, right? So here it is. Now again ls, src is visible, right? You can slow the video and follow it practically. Again, I am saying applying these concepts practically is very important, and these are very basic concepts, but the student or the individual who don't know about these things, it is essential for them. Okay, so mkdir is cleared. Why we use cd to go inside that directory, or else change directory. Changing the directory is also the working of cd. And one more point is that if you want to just go beyond one directory or beyond one folder, you can write cd space dot dot. That's the command. Okay, so you are outside that folder, just one folder outside, so that's cd dot dot space dot dot. Okay, so we have created the folders. Now again, going back to that folder, we will create one file. Let's say .txt extension. Okay, so we will use touch command, touch, name of your file, text file. Let's name it day 12, because we are in our day 12, and it is day 12 underscore Ubuntu Commands. Okay, .txt, right? List it. It is created. .txt is created. Now the next command is copy. Now we will copy this date 12.txt and paste it to src. Okay, so pasting it to src, it should work. So let's check it out by going into src. What we did is that we just entered cp, which is copy the text file, and then moving it to the src folder. Okay, that is clear. So first let's see if it is copied in src or not. We will see it by going into src and hitting ls. It is copied. Okay, and yeah, one trick I was using to autocomplete that text was, for example, let's say I want to move the text file. Now let's move it, right? Yeah, mv day 12. I can't write this complete text because it is hard to remember name of every file and every package or else every folder. So in order to autocomplete that, you just have to write the initials of it, or else you can directly without writing the initials, just enter double tab and you will get the suggestions in the current directory, like what you can write, and also writing the initials and hitting tab once will autocomplete it. Okay, that's how it works. Now moving it to the src. So it is moved to src. Let's check it out by using cd src ls. Okay, see, it has been moved to src, but the name was same. We copied the same text file to the src. Now we are moving the same text file to src again, but it got replaced because we moved it, because two same name files cannot exist in one folder if we are moving it. Okay, so it got just replaced. That's the only thing, right? So we studied sudo apt update, sudo apt upgrade. We created our folder, we changed directory, we got how to list down the command. We studied about pwd, the path of the folders. Now also I executed it. We got to know about copy, we got to know about moving the files. Now let's do one thing. We will now delete the text file that we created. Okay, so we are now into src. We want to delete this day12 Ubuntu Commands.txt file. So I am using rm day12. Okay, sorry, it got deleted actually. Just make it out. Day12 Ubuntu.txt. Okay, so rm, I want to remove the day12 Ubuntu Commands.txt file. So rm and yeah, day12, it got auto completed, and I am now executing the rm command. Just hit enter and check, the file is not visible, so it got deleted. Okay, so it was how to delete the file, but now how to delete the folder. So just go to the previous folder, and now we will rm. We will try rm src if it gets deleted or not. Okay, it is not deleting, so the command is rm -r src, I think so. This should work, and we have deleted src successfully. Let's check it out once again. mkdir src. I will create the src again, and I will try to delete it using rm, if it works or not. Okay, just using rm is not deleting src, but using rm-r is deleting src, because we are giving it executable permissions, or else you can say root permissions to delete the folder. I am just trying to explain the concepts in a simple language. Okay, so this was about deleting the folder. So I hope you understood the basic Ubuntu commands, and this was about today's video. We will meet in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, or else reach me on LinkedIn, and also I am active on Instagram. Till then, grow, learn and explore together.